Where are you going? Put it here. Micah, put it here on the floor. Open it. What's inside? Blocks, yes, you're right, they're blocks. Oh my goodness. That's candy. That's a necklace. Wow. She's lighting it up. That's adorable. Yes. What's that? Guns. Yeah.
She loves guns.
Open. Ooh, earrings. For Michaela. You want to put them on? She's more excited about the egg. Gun. That's it. Yeah, that's a tag.